Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials so the update can finish reliably. First, plug in your device or confirm battery is at least 20%. Unstable power interrupts installs. Next, make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is strong because interrupted downloads corrupt packages. Also free at least 500 MB of storage and close background apps to prevent conflicts. Once done, open the App Store or System Update panel and locate the app showing Updates Ready to begin the download. You now download and install the update carefully to avoid errors. Tap Update or Update All and watch the progress bar. If it stalls, pause and retry rather than force closing. When prompted, accept requested permissions because denied permissions can break features. After installation completes, don't skip a reboot. Restart the app, and if needed, the device so background processes apply new files. Make sure to verify the app launches and core functions work before you continue using it. You finish by verifying the update and handling problems smartly. Open the app, check its about or settings for the new version, and scan the changelog to confirm fixes. This ensures the update applied correctly. If the app crashes or misbehaves, clear its cache and data first. If that fails, reinstall the app to replace corrupted files. If issues persist, collect error messages and logs, then contact support. Providing exact version numbers speeds troubleshooting and resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.